Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So we're going to start with grade 6 maths. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 6 maths and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. So we're going to start with the chapter unit of measurements. And the lessons we're going to cover today are estimate metric measurements, convert and compare customary units, customary unit conversions involving fractions and mixed numbers, compare, convert, add, and subtract mixed customary units. So let's just start with the first lesson, that is estimate metric measurements. Okay, here I'm on the grade 6 maths. The chapter name is unit of measurements and the lesson name is estimate metric measurements. So let's just start with the first example, which is a better estimate for the weight of a glue stick. So you are given with 6 grams or 26 kilograms. So kilograms is a too heavy. Got it? That means it is 26 grams. Got it? Okay, which is a better estimate for the weight of the lollipop. So you are given 36 grams or 36 kilograms. So which is the better estimate? 36 grams. Got it? Because 36 kilograms is too heavy. Got it? Okay, which is a better estimate for the length of a golf tee. You are given 5 centimeters and 5 meters. So which is the better estimate? It is 5 centimeter. Got it? Because 5 meters is a too long. Got it? Let's just start with the practice questions. Okay. Which is the better estimate for the height of the garage door? 2 meter or 2 centimeter? Which is the correct option? It is 2 meters. Got it? Because 2 centimeters is too short. Got it? So the height of the door is. Okay, which is a better estimate for the length of a golf tee? 5 centimeter or 5 meters? It would be 5 centimeter. Got it? Because 5 meters is a too long. It is 5 centimeter. Okay, which is a better estimate for the weight of a coin? 3 grams or 3 kilograms? So which is a better estimate? It is 3 grams. Got it? Because 3 kilograms is too heavy for a coin. So it would be 3 grams. So which is a better estimate for the weight of a trumpet? Is it 1 kilogram or 1 gram? I think that would be 1 kilogram. Got it? Because 1 gram is. Yes, it is 1 kilogram. Okay, which is the better estimate for the distance of a long running race? Which is the correct option? 6 meters and 6 kilometers. Because it is a long race, so it would be 6 kilometers. Got it? Because 6 meter is smaller than 6 kilometers. Which is a better estimate for the weight of a bag of groceries, 3 grams or 3 kilograms? So, which is the correct option? It would be 3 kilograms. Got it? Very good. Because 3 is 2. Okay, which is a better estimate for the weight of a glue stick? 26 kilograms or 26 grams? It is 26 grams. Got it? Because 26 kilograms is too heavy. Got it? It would be 26 grams. Very good. Okay, which is a better estimate for the volume of a nail polish? Is it 50 liters or 15 liters? Which is the correct option? It would be 15 milliliters. Got it? Because 15 liters is a much greater unit. Got it? It would be 15 milliliters. Which is a better estimate for the height of a postage stamp? 22 kilometers or 22 millimeters? Which is the better estimate? It is the 22 millimeters. Got it? Because 22 kilometers is a much greater unit. Which is a better estimate for the length of a carrot stick? 12 centimeter or 12 kilometers? It would be 12 centimeter. Got it? Which is a better estimate for the length of a front tooth? 10 meter or 10 millimeters? It is 10 millimeters. Got it? Because 10 meter is a bigger unit. Okay, which is the better estimate for the volume of a bathroom sink? Is it 2 liters or 2 milliliters? It would be 2 milliliters. Got it? Because 2 liter is a greater unit. No, no, volume. It would be 2 liters because 2 milliliters is much smaller. Which is the better estimate for the weight of a lollipop? 36 grams or 36 kilograms? Which is the better estimate? It is 36 grams. Got it? Because 36 kilograms is too heavy. Which is the better estimate for the weight of a washing machine, 46 kilograms or 46 grams? It would be 46 kilograms. Got it? Okay, which is a better estimate for the volume of a shampoo bottle, 1 milliliter or 1 liter? Which is the correct option? It would be 1 liter. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. So let me just move on to the next lesson. So if you need more help with the lesson, you can contact Andrew on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Okay, the next lesson is compare and convert customary units. Okay, which is more, 1 mile or 2,592 feet? So you have to convert miles and feet. Got it? So we know that 1 mile equal 5,280 feet. Got it? 1 mile equal, we know that 1 mile equal 1 mile equals 5,280 feet. Got it? So which is more? 5,280 is greater than 2,592. Got it? So 1 mile is more than 2,592 feet. Got it? Okay, the next one is which is more, 12 inches equal 1 foot. So 1 foot equal 12 inches. Got it? That means they both are exactly equal. Got it? Because in 1 foot you have 12 inches. Got it? Okay, the next example is which is more, 1 gallon or 10 pints? In 1 gallon we have 8 pints. So which is more? Obviously 10 pints is more than 1 gallon. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Okay, which is more, 13 inches or 1 yard? Which is more? Basically, you have to convert from inches, yard to inches. Got it? So in 1 yard, how many inches do we have? 1 yard equal 36 inches. Got it? One yard equal. So which is more? You have to compare 13 inches and 36. So which is more? Obviously 36 inches is more than 13 inches. That means 1 yard is more. Got it? So the correct option is 1 yard. Okay, which is more, 12 ounces or 1 pound? How many ounces do we have in 1 pound? 1 pound equal 16 ounces. Got it? That means 1 pound is more than 12 pounds. Got it? So the correct option is 1 pound. because at 1 pound we have 16 pounds and 16 is greater than 12. So 1 pound is more than 12 ounces. Sorry, I haven't calculated 1 pound. Okay, which is more, 1 teaspoon, 1 tablespoon, or spoons? So how many tablespoons do we have in one? How many teaspoons do we have in 1 tablespoon? 1 tablespoon is bigger. Got it? So 1 tablespoon equal 3 teaspoons. One 1 tablespoon equal 3 teaspoons. Got it? So which is more? You have to compare 3 teaspoons and 4 teaspoons. So which is more? 4 teaspoons is more. Got it? So the correct option is 4 teaspoons. So 4 teaspoons is more than 3 teaspoons. Got it? Okay, the next one is, which is more, 1 pint or 16 fluid ounces? I think 16 fluid ounces. Let me just confirm how many fluid ounces in 1 pint. 1 pint 2 ounces. 1 pint equals 16 fluid ounces. Yes, they are equal. In 1 pint we have 16 fluid ounces. Got it? So that means 16, they are equal. You have to compare 16 to 16 fluid ounces, so they are equal. They are equal. Okay, which is more, 2,478 pounds or 1 ton? Which is more? 1 ton equal 2,000 pounds. 1 ton equal 2,000 pounds. So which is more? 2,478 pounds is more than 1 ton. Got it? So the correct option is 2,478. 2,478 pounds is more than 1 ton. Got it? Okay, which is more, 6 ounces or 1 pound? Which is more? Yes, 1 pound is more. Got it? Because in 1 pound we have 16 ounces. Got it? So 16 ounces is more than 6 ounces. Okay, which is more, 1 ton or 144 pounds? In 1 ton we have 2,000 pounds. So which is more? 1 ton is more. Got it? Because in 1 ton we have 2,000 pounds. So 2,000 pounds is more than 144 pounds. Got it? Okay, which is more, 1 mile or 1,002 yards? So in 1 mile, how many yards do we have? In 1 mile, we have 1,760 yards. Got it? 1 mile equal. You can note down these basic conversions and then keep them in mind. 1 mile equal 1760 yards. Got it? So which is more? 1 mile. Got it? Okay, which is more, 1 pound or 22 ounces? 1 pound equals 16 ounces. So 22 ounces is more than 1 pound. Got it? So the correct option is 20. Got it? Okay, which is more 20, 12 inches or 1 foot? They are equal. Got it? Because in 1 inch in 1 foot you have 12 inches. Got it? Okay, let's just move on to the next lesson. You can complete the test by yourself later today. So if you need more help with the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the site. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? The next one is customary unit conversion involving fractions and mixed numbers. Okay, convert, simplify your answer and write it as a proper fraction or as a whole number. Got it? So you are given 5,000 pounds. You have to convert it into tons. Got it? So we know that 1 ton equal 2,000 pounds. Got it? So you have to divide 500 by 2,000. Got it? Because 500 is pounds is smaller than 2,000. Just divide 500 by 2,000. We cannot divide a smaller number by the greater one. So that means it looks like 500 divided. You are dividing 500 by 2,000. Got it? So just find a common factor and divide them. It would be then 1 over 4. That means 500 pounds equal 1/4 of a ton. Got it? So let's move on to the next example. Okay, simplify. How many yards equal 1/4 of a mile? We know that 1 mile equal 1760 yards. Got it? So you have to find how many yards 1/4 of the mile. Just calculate 1/4 of the 1760. Got it? So 1/4 of the 1760 is 440 miles. Got it? Miles is a greater unit and yards is a smaller unit. Got it? So when you convert from larger to smaller, you have to multiply. Got it? So it would be 1 by 4 times 1760. Got it? Okay. So convert, simplify your answer, write it as a proper fraction. You have to convert from miles to feet. Miles is a bigger unit and you have to convert it into feet. We know that 1 mile equal 5,280 feet. So just multiply it to 1 by 4. Got it? When you multiply 1 by 4, it would be 1,320 miles. Feet. Got it? Let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, simplify your answer and write it as a fraction or whole number. So you have to convert 6 inches to 1 feet. We know that 1 feet equal 12 inches. Got it? You have to calculate, you need to see 6, so you have to divide 6 over 12. Got it? That means it looks like 6 over 12. So just find a common, we cannot divide 6 by 12 as 6 is smaller than 12. So just look for a common factor. The common factor is 6. Just divide them by 6. It would be 6 times 1 is 6 and 6 times 2 is 12. That means 6 inches is half of a feet. Isn't it? So 6 inches equal half of a feet. Got it? Okay, the next one is 4 inches equal how many feet? So you have to do the same thing. We know that 1 feet equal 12 inches. So you have to divide 4 over 12. Got it? It would be 4 divided by 12. Just divide them by after the common factor is 4. So 4 times 1 is 4 and 4 times 3 is 12. So the correct option is 1 over 3. Got it? So just the correct option is 1/3. That means 4 inches is 1/3 of the feet. Got it? So the correct option is 1 over 3. Okay, the next one is 1000 pounds to tons. We have to convert 1000 pounds to ton. We know that in 1 ton we have 2000 pounds. So pounds is a smaller unit and tons is a greater one. You have to convert from greater unit to smaller. So just divide 1000 divided by 2000. So just look for a common factor. 1000 it will be half. So 1000 pounds is half of the ton. So it is half is the 1 by 2 is the correct option. Got it? Okay, convert. You have to convert from 8 ounces to pounds. Got it? So we know that in 1 pound we have 16 ounces. Got it? So pound is a greater unit. You are converting from greater to smaller. You have to divide it. You have to do 8 over 16. Got it? Just divide them by a common factor that would be 8. So 8 times 1 is 8 and 8 times 2 is 16. So it would be half. That means 8 ounces is half of the pounds. Got it? So it is half of the pound. Okay, the next one is 1/4 of a mile. You have to calculate. 1/4 of a 1 mile equals, I think, 17, no, 5280. 1 mile equal 5280 feet. Got it? So you have to calculate 1/4 of a mile. You have to multiply them. Got it? Because you are converting from greater unit to smaller one. So you have to divide. Just divide them 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 3 is 12, 4 times it is 1320. The correct option is 1320. Got it? Okay, the next one is 1 foot equal how many yards? 1 foot equal, I think half it is. And because in 1 foot equal 1/3 of the yard. Got it? It would be 1/3 of the yard. Got it? Okay, you can complete the rest by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. And the next lesson is convert, compare, add, and subtract mixed customary units. Let's just start next lesson. Okay, 5 gallons, 1 quart minus 4 quart, 3 quarts. So you always subtract the same units. Got it? Just subtract gallons to gallons and quarts to quarts. So 5 take away 4 is 1 quart and 1 take away 3 is 2 quarts. It would be so just subtract the same units. Got it? From gallons to gallons and from quarts to quarts. Let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, compare 6 quarts, 1 pint equals 17 pints. You have to compare. Got it? So let's just see how quarts to pints. So in 1 quart we have 2 pints. Got it? Then 6 quarts equal 1 quart equal 2 pints. Then 6 quarts equal 2 times 6, that would be 12 pints. You already have 1 pint, 12 plus 1 makes 13 pints. We are comparing 13 to 17. So obviously 13 pints is less than 17 pints. Got it? So that means it is less than. Okay, the next one is subtract. You have to subtract. Just subtract from quarts to quarts and pence to pence. So 4 take away 1 is 1 quart. You don't have any pence here, so just write down the same. So it would be 1 quart, 1 pint. Got it? It would be 1 quart, 1 pint. Okay, you cannot subtract from, wait, let me see, because you have 4 quarts. It would be 4 quarts, 1 quart, and 1 pint. Got it? So you cannot zeros out of 1, you have to borrow 1. It would be now 1, and 1 minus 1 is, wait, let me see. It would be 4 quart. Okay, 1 quart equal 2 pints. So we divided 4 quarts to 3 quarts and 2 pints. So 2 take away 1 is 1 and it would be 3. Okay, 2 quarts, 1 pint it is. Okay. Okay, the next one is 26 inches and 2 feet 2 inches. So which is greater? 1 feet equal 12 inches. Got it? So 2 feet equals 2 times 12, that would be 24 inches. And 24 plus 2 is 26. So 26 inches and 26 inches, they both are equal. Got it? So the correct option is equal. Okay, the next one is 8 tablespoons to teaspoons. 2 teaspoons equal 28 teaspoons. So 1 tablespoon equal 3 teaspoons. 1 tablespoon equal 3 teaspoons. Got it? Then 8 tablespoon equals 3 times 8, 3 times 8 is 24, and you already have 2, so 24 plus 2 is 26, so you have to compare 26 to 28. So 26 is less than 28. Got it? So the correct option is less than. Okay, the next one is 1 tablespoon. You have to add 1 table, 3 tablespoons, 4 tablespoons, 4 tablespoons, and 2 teaspoons. Got it? So option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is 1 gallon, 2 quarts, and 2 quarts. So which is greater? So 1 gallon, 2 quarts is greater than 2 quarts. Got it? Okay, the next one is 6 feet 11 inches. You have to convert it into inches. Got it? So we know that in 1 inch, 1 feet equal 12 inches. Got it? Then 6 feet equal 6 times 12, that would be 72 inches. Got it? You already have 11. So 72 plus 11 is 83 inches. Got it? So the correct option is 83 inches. Okay, the next one is 4,796 pounds to tons. So divided by 2,000, it would be then 2 ton and 796 pounds, because 2,000 times 2 is 4,000. So it would be 2 tons and 796 pounds. That would be the option number 1. Got it? So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 2 mile and 1,880 feet. You have to convert from miles to feet. 1 mile equal 5,280 feet. So 1 mile equal 5,280 feet. So you have 2 miles. So you have to do 2 times 5,280. Got it? It would be 10,560. So just add 1880. Just let me just multiply again. 5,280 times 2 is 10,560, and 10,560 and plus 1880 equals 12,440 feet. Got it? It would be 12,440 feet. The option number 2 is the correct option. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. So we're working on grade 6 maths. The chapter we're working on is unit of measurements, and the lessons we've covered today are estimate metric measurements, convert and compare customary units, customary unit conversions involving fractions and mixed numbers, convert, compare, add and subtract mixed customary units. So that's all for today. Please make sure please make sure you have to complete all the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? That's all for today. Thank you for your participation. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.